Welcome to integration of logarithmic functions. So on your reference sheet, you have that if you have the integral of f dash of x over f of x dx, then it becomes ln of f of x. So we're going to notice in this video, we're going to put the f of x on the side, we're going to find the f dash of x and make sure that it's in the form of f dash of x over f of x. And then note it's ln of that f of x. So make sure we use our reference sheet. So here's some examples. The integral of 1 over x, the integral of 2x over x squared plus 1, and the integral of x squared over x cubed minus 1. So the integral of 1 over x. So the f of x is what's on the bottom, which is the x. F dash of x is equal to 1. That is what's on the top. So therefore it's in the form of f dash of x over f of x. So it's ln of the f of x, which is x, plus the c. Second one, the fx is what's on the denominator. So the x squared plus 1. F dash of x is 2x. That is what's on the top. So it is in the form of f dash of x over f of x. Therefore, it's ln x squared plus 1 plus c. Didn't mention before, but the reason they're in absolute values is because you can't take the log of a negative. So inside that will always be a positive answer. X squared over x cubed minus 1. So the fx is what's on the denominator, x cubed minus 1. Differentiate that, you get 3x squared. So notice in the second line, I need the f dash of x on top, so I need the 3x squared on top. So I'm going to times by 3 on the top, so I need to put a third out the front. So now my integral is a third 3x squared over x cubed minus 1. I had f of x on the bottom, and I've got f dash of x on the top. So it is a third ln of that f of x, the x cubed minus 1, plus c. Now let's have a look at one which is a definite integral. So we're going to integrate between 0 and 4, 4x over x squared plus 2. So once again, let's take the f of x, which is x squared plus 2. F dash of x is 2x. Now notice on the numerator, we had 4x, but we only need 2x. So I've got 2 too much. So I'm going to put the 2 out the front and leave the 2x, which is what I want, on the top. So now I have 2 ln of the denominator, or the fx. So ln x squared plus 2 between 0 and 4. Sorry, they should have been in absolute values. So that's 2 outside of ln 18 minus ln 2. So you sub 4 in, gets you 18, and then sub 0 in, which gets you 2. Then we get, using our log laws, which says if I have ln 18 minus ln 2, I then divide the 18 and the 2 to get ln 9. And so I get 2 ln 9. Thank you.